Imagine a world where the air is crisp, the skies are the bluest blue, and the spectacle of snow-capped peaks leaves you breathless. That's where my love story begins, with the mountains. A rendezvous with the mountains isn't just an adventure, it's a profound dialogue with Mother Nature. You're not conquering peaks, but rather confronting your own self. Mountains teach you humility, resilience, and patience. They whisper tales of the ages, etched in the heart of every boulder and stream. The enchanting sunrise, the tranquil sunset, the silent snowfall, they all paint a mesmerizing canvas that captures the heart. So I fell in love with mountains, a love that's deep, pure, and everlasting. They call out to me and I answer, "For the mountains are my home, my peace, and my freedom."